I want to talk about something that's on every first-time homebuyer's mind: fixer-uppers. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, why on earth would I buy a home that needs to be fixed up? But hear me out. There are actually some great benefits to buying a fixer-upper, as well as some potential downsides. First off, let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest advantages of buying a fixer-upper is affordability. You can often get a great deal on a home that needs some work, which means you can potentially save a lot of money compared to buying a move-in ready home. Plus, you get to personalize the home to your liking, making it truly your own. And if you play your cards right, a well-renovated fixer-upper can actually appreciate in value over time. Now let's talk about the cons. Buying a fixer-upper can take a lot of time and money, and from a lending perspective, you're going to want to know if the bank is willing to lend on the property. If it's a complete teardown and it's unlivable, it probably won't qualify for a loan. So in that case, you might have to consider other types of lending options such as hard money or rehab loans. In addition, you're going to need some cash on hand to cover the renovations, and you'll also need to be prepared to live in a construction zone for a little while. And let's not forget about, the stress of managing a renovation project. So the question is a fixer-upper right for you? Well, that depends on your personal situation and preferences. If you're handy and don't mind putting in some work, a fixer-upper could be a great choice. But if you're looking for a move-in ready home, or maybe you don't have the time or resources to take on a renovation project, a fixer-upper might not be the best fit for you. Either way, if you're a first-time home buyer, there's a lot to consider, and that's why I've created the Ultimate Home Buyer Guide, which is available for free download. It's either in the bio section or in the caption below. This guide is packed with tips and insights to help you navigate the home buying process and make the best decision for your unique situation.